All right, hello again, students. So here's the last part of our. This is the last part of our video tutorial this week. This is the blog for this class. It's digitalpublishingworkshop.wordpress.com, and so on this blog you will see the first post. First there's the video of me welcoming you. Lovely, doesn't that look lovely? The walls are bright yellow, the light is green, I look sick. Delightful. It's only 6 minutes. And then the intro to Codecademy, and then this one will also come in, this video I'm making now, which talks about the WordPress site. Here's some instructions for what's going to be due on Tuesday, January 14th. You need to download and to print and sign the release and assumption of risk form. Let me just download that right now. And what that is a document. Every time you have a production class and you need to take out equipment from the equipment office, you must print this out and sign it and give it to your instructor by the second week of class. And then I give it to the equipment office, and then you are free to check out equipment. Okay. The next thing you need to do is sign up for a WordPress account and send me the email you used to sign up for the account with. What does that mean? If you already have a WordPress account, all you need to do is send me the email that is associated with it. What I'm going to do is, with the email that already has an account on WordPress, I will go into Digital Publishing Workshop, into the dashboard, and I will add you. I will just add you as a user, and you will be able to edit and publish material directly to our class blog. So in this class, you're not going to have an individual blog that you're working on. You're going to contribute to the class blog. So we're going to do things a little differently than I have done in the past if you had me for another class. Okay. So send me your WordPress email address, and then I will add you to this blog. Okay, once you have done that and I have added you to the blog, create a new post. Okay, so pretend this is you, where you will introduce yourself. And when you introduce yourself, I want you to answer the following questions. Okay, what is your name? What is your major with an SJMC? And what year are you? Are you a junior, a senior, a sophomore? What do you want to do when you graduate? Do you have any previous experience with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript? What do you hope to get out of the class? What kind of cell phone do you own or use? And what kind of app would you like to have on your cell phone that you don't currently have? So please answer all of these questions. Okay. I also want you to sign up for a Codecademy account. Here's the link. The video right here shows you how to use Codecademy, and it goes through the first two little instruction modules. Okay, yes, in Codecademy, complete HTML basics and create your own web page. Okay, so this is what I would like you to do by the time that class begins on Tuesday, January 14th. We will go over the Codecademy work in class. We'll talk a little bit more about this class and our expectations, and we'll start going more depth into HTML and CSS. Let me just draw your attention to a couple of other things on this blog. Each of our major assignments are listed here, along with some essential documents. So if I go to Codecademy, for example, every week we're going to have some Codecademy modules due. So for next week, I want you to complete the first two, HTML basics and build your own web page. For week 3, there's another 2. And in week 3 also, there's some extra credit available. So normally, you get 10 points for each module that I assign you, but if you do the extra credit ones, then you get 5 points of extra credit. Okay, and I will develop a way to review your Codecademy site, so I will know how many points to assign you. But you want to make sure that you do all of these little assignments. They're easy. They make it very easy to learn HTML and CSS. They go step by step. They have lots of help. So if we do this in conjunction with the work that we do in class, I believe that you will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript a lot faster and more in depth than just if we did these exercises in class. Okay. After Codecademy, there's the Zen Garden. Zen Garden is a very famous web design project on the web. And basically, I know that was just circular, but it's okay. Basically, what you do with Zen Garden is everybody gets the same text, and you create a different page design using the exact same text. So, for example, this, which is a lovely design, has the same content as the previous page. It just has a different layout. Let me go to one more just to really show you how this works. Let's do this one. Okay, once again, same content, different layout. So we'll talk more about how exactly this works, and this is going to be one of our assignments, to use the same text to create our own beautiful layout. Okay. We're going to make an interactive photo slideshow using HTML, CSS, and a little JavaScript. And we're going to create a multimedia package. That's going to be a story, a non-fictional, either news story or promotional profile or something, using text and images and or video and or audio slideshows. You can be kind of flexible in how you put it together. But we will work on that as our final project for the first half of the semester. After spring break, we will be working together in teams to create an app project, a mobile app project. This will have several components, including a product plan. You'll do some market research. You'll do some competitive research. You'll see what kind of apps already exist that are similar to the ones to the app that you're thinking about creating. And you'll also do a mini market survey. So this will be interesting, and it's not difficult, I promise, and I'll help you through it step by step. And you'll learn a lot from working on this project and trying to see what kind of apps would serve the needs of different communities. Okay. All right. I'll talk more about this when I come back from Arizona. And the last thing is some essential documents for this class. That includes the syllabus, the release and assumption of risk form, the Zen Garden text file. You don't have to worry about this yet. This is actually on Blackboard. I'll have templates for the photo slideshow and the multimedia package. And then there's kind of a mobile outline that someone else has put together. I'm going to modify this a little bit and make this available, but if you want to take a look at it ahead of time, it's up there for you to review. Okay, so that's about it. I will see you next week, Tuesday, January 14th. Please complete all of these assignments. Download and print and sign the release and assumption of risk form. Sign up for a WordPress account. Send me the email you used to sign up for the WordPress account, and then log on to our blog and introduce yourself, answering the following questions. Set up your Codecademy account and complete the first two sections, HTML basics and create your own web page. Okay, that's it.